Hello everyone, welcome to lecture 4 of probability and statistics. In today class we discuss about independent events. So let's explore what is independent event. Simple explain, if we two events A and B are independent, if they are satisfy this formula. Also there are three types of formula we can use for check independent or not. Um, we discuss this in later. uh, this means the probability that both happen is just the product of their individual probabilities. Example, for let A equal a coin lands head, let B a die shows 3. So these two type of things are not dependent each other, because first one is a coin and second one is a die, so they are not dependent each other. Since flipping a coin and rolling a die do not influence each other, these are independent event. Let's PA, the probability of A equal to half and probability of B equal to 1 by 6. So probability A intersection B is equal, there is a into 1 by 12. If that equally hold, the event are independent. These are all the formula we can use to check the A and B are independent or not. Let's solve this one. Find out, are the event even and high score independent? So we can use any formula between all of these three. Let's check first one using this. So let's start. Probability of A equal 3 by 6, because there is a 3 number and total number is 6, so this will be half. And probability of B also similar, because there is a 3 number out of 6, so this will be half also. Now we get PA, this PA. Now we have to find this one. We already got our right hand side and we have to find this left hand side, then we can check this is independent or not. So find P A even B equal, we already know the formula because we already talked about this in lecture 3. If you do not uh, watch the lecture 3, you can visit it first. Probability of A intersection B and probability of B. So A intersection B is here. How many elements are equal? This 4, here is a 4 and 6, 6. So 2 element. So the probability of A intersection B equal 2 by 6 mean 1 by 3. So let's put all the value here and check. We got 1 by 3 divided by probability of B is half. So if we simplify this, then we get 2 by 3. This is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. This is our right hand side. So a half and 2 by 3 is not equal. So they are not independent. I hope you all understand how to check independent or not independent or dependent. You using any of this formula to check independent or dependent. Now let's talk about law of total probability. We write some formula about law of total probability. One is S mean sample space, A union A naught. It mean overall all element of a set. Let's write number 2 B equal A intersection B union A intersection B. Now let's write third one. Probability of B equal probability of A intersection B plus probability of A bar intersection B. So that's how you can find probability of B. We also can write A probability of A intersection B equal probability of B probability of A even B. This is B. Also you can write probability of A probability of V even A. So this is the formula you can remember, and if you can practice more and more, this formula must be more clear for you and understandable. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone.